This is exactly why you should visit Nakhon Nayok in Thailand. Sometimes we forget how much we need a break. Not just from work or the city, but from noise, screens, and the rush of everyday life. Today, I came to Nakhon Nayok not just to travel, but to reconnect with nature and with myself. Just 2 hours from Bangkok, and suddenly, the air is fresh, the silence is comforting, and the trees feel like old friends. This is what peace sounds like. Wind, water, green leaves, and stone. Trust me, if you are in stressful state or mind-racing state, you need this. Look how I'm enjoying. I let the cold water wash away my stress. Nature doesn't ask you to hurry. It just invites you to feel, to pause, to breathe. I would suggest to watch the video till end so that you know what you can expect.
No, he took the video.
They even have butterflies.
There you go. Go.
Adventurous a bit and be careful as always.
What do I do?